Yes, teach English abroad. Do you speak English? Do you write in English? Do you communicate in English? Then in this video, I'll be sharing websites where you could teach children, adults, anyone that wants to learn English or any language at all that you are good at. It's something you could teach people and make money from. So let's go right into the video where I share websites where you could take up teaching jobs. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It's good to be back today again with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Okay, so are you new to this channel? Are you coming across this channel for the first time? I welcome you to the Extrastepsceo YouTube channel where I share about business ideas that you can start, ways and how you can improve your business, and of course I motivate you to start monetizing your skills. If there's any skills that you've got, I want you to know these are ways you can make extra income. I talk about my entrepreneurship journey. I share about products, services, software that has helped me sort my entrepreneurship journey so far. Does it sound interesting to you? Are you interested in being part of this community? So all you need to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And of course, I encourage you to share my videos as well. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Yes. So and to all new members that has just joined this Extrastepsceo community, you're welcome. It's good to have you here. The more the merrier, you know. So let's go right into today's video where I'll be sharing websites where you could take up teaching jobs. You could do it as a part-time, you could do it as a full-time job, and you make money, you know. If you know basic English, if you're a BSc holder, then this is a fit for you. Okay, so the first website I'll be talking about in this video is TeachAWay. Like the way implies, teach. All you do on this website is get teaching jobs, and they also help you with your teaching certification courses, because there are some basic certification courses that you need to have before you start teaching. So on this TeachAWay, you get to be certified to coach people, to teach people, and it's like a job board as well. They have different job that you could apply, like teaching jobs that you could go in for. All right, so the first website is TeachAWay. Let's go down to the website and see what the website is talking about. Online teaching jobs. On it tells you where the availability of jobs are, like where you could get online teaching jobs around you all over the world. Is a teaching job board. Okay, so do want to come to this website to see if there's any fit for you. All right, so you see online English as a second language teaching jobs. They have variety, you get it there. So let's go to the second website. So the second website I'll be talking about in this video is VIPKid. VIPKid, it's also a website where you get teaching jobs. They tell you the teacher requirements, ready to teach. Let's see if you're eligible. So all you need to do to become a teacher is have your certificate, your TESOL certificate and TEFL. I'll check, but something like that. So they check that as well. And I'll also give you a website where you could get those certificates as well. Okay, so this is their requirements. You should have at least, we recommend that you have at least 2 years of experience, and like I always say, it is a recommendation. That doesn't mean you are not fit, so don't be pushed back because of that. Apply if you still want to teach. So don't but I've spoken to so many people and they got discouraged because of requirement, but they have not applied. So the first thing for you to do, okay, fine, requirements is like it is a recommendation, teaching experience, but it has not said you must have it. All right, so then a bachelor's degree is a must. You must have obtained a 4 degree from a university. I'm not ready to start teaching English here, so I cannot tell you what recommendation and must Like I can't go into the teaching of the difference between recommendation and a must. Okay, so let's factor that out ourselves. And you must be authorized to work in US or Canada. All right, then your technology. Oh my God, reliable technology. So your internet speed must be very fast. All right, so let's go to the next website. So this one is VIPKid. I would always leave the link in the description box. Then the second website I'll be talking about in this video is Powerfish. Powerfish is a website that I know people that are on that website now, that are teachers there, that the people that I've spoken to, people that I know personally, and I can tell you that it's a trusted website. Okay, and they have an app as well. So Powerfish, you see, Powerfish sets the price of the course, provides materials and slides for the teachers. Official teachers can also create their own courses, seminars, and live streaming to teach non-official students and make more money. Okay, so even on this website, they encourage you to make more money, and they have referral bonuses as well. So the requirements is, okay, yeah, the TEFL I was talking about earlier. Native speakers with a neutral accent. Well, I don't know what that means. Having experience in teaching kids, that's very important. Teaching certificate required. That's the TEFL, TESOL, CELTA. I'll give you a website where you could get this as well. And they have how to apply. It's all in the website. Okay, so let's go to the next website. So the third website I'll be talking about in this video is iTalki. Wow, I don't know what iTalki. Yeah, but check out the website. You prepare a video introduction, introducing yourself. That's why we have to be more comfortable on video, because the world is now more digital than it used to be. Then they're talking about the teaching certificate as well. So it's a basic requirement that if you are not a teacher, you need a teaching the TESOL certificate. So that's very, very important. And you can always start your application whenever you are ready. So let's go to the next website. Yeah, this is the next website, Cumberly. This is another website that I can guarantee you teach English, you learn English at the touch of a button. Okay, so they have their own apps. They have, you could get them in the Google Play or App Store. Like they have an app just like Powerfish. So Cumberly is a website that has been around for a while, and they are doing very good, very, very good. So they do, you do your classes through video recordings, like you have your own classroom. They call it classroom. Like my Powerfish friends call it classroom when they get to teach their children. Okay, they get to teach their kids. Yeah, you speak without fear in chat translation. So this is something you really want to try out. I know Cambly has been around for a while, and people talk very well about Cambly. So do well to visit the website. Let's go to the next website. So the next website I'm talking about in this video is Kids. Make money teaching English online to kids. All right, so these are ways you make great extra income. You work from home, fun and rewarding. Teaching kids can be fun and rewarding, you know. And they have a YouTube channel that tells you how you can apply to Kids online teaching. So you want to do well to check out their YouTube channel. I will leave the link to their website in the description box down below. Provide basic information. This is how to become an online teacher. It's all stated there what you need to do to become an online teacher. All right, so Kids, it's a website you really have to check out. And in today's video, my special shout out is to Random Familia. Random Familia is my friend here on YouTube, and she's Spanish. She has a YouTube channel where she teaches Spanish. Yeah. Yeah, so she has a family channel, she has a Spanish English channel, and she has another channel where she speaks about random happenings like lifestyle. I'll leave the link to our channel. So Random Familia, this is shout out to you. Yes, this video is dedicated to random familiar. Yeah. All right, so please do go to our channel and subscribe to her, show her some love. Okay. All right, thank you so much, everyone. The next website in this video is dada.com. In dada.com, everything you want to know is here, like frequently asked questions. Let's go to their about. What are they about? About Dada, empower children to achieve more. It was founded in 2013. Dada is the leading online English education platform based in China. So you see it's based in China. Just go to their website, you choose your hours. They have students always, like you cannot have a day that there won't be students for you to teach. You choose your own hours. Your career development matters. You have full support, like they support you all the way through. Okay, so do want to go to dada.com to see if it's a perfect fit for you. Read teachers testimonials, what people have to say about dada.com. Then meet people that are ready to help you all the way through. Okay, so they have all the requirements. As you can see, their teaching certificate is also TFL and TSOL and CELTA. I think I should start something like this. Maybe that will give me a clear understanding of all these abbreviations, but I think majorly it's just teaching certificates. Okay, so let's go to the next website. And the last website where you could teach or get teaching jobs that I'll be talking about in today's video is Ligoda. I hope I got that right, but not to worry. The link is always in the description box. So Ligoda says join our international language teacher team. Ligoda gives you the ultimate flexibility. Yeah, you teach adult students online when you want, as often as you want, and where you want it. Okay, so you don't have to leave the comfort of your home to do this, and you do not even have to leave your day job or your other job that you are engaged in. Like you choose your hours for you to do all these online teaching jobs. So that's the last website. Now let me talk about where you can get your English requirements or your English certificates. Yes, so the International Open Academy is a website where you can get your certificates. That's the TESOL, the TEFL certificate, or is what's it called now? CELTP. Oh my God, did I get that right? I hope so. Like the equivalent of that's the basic requirement. So it's 120 hours, and you see it is not free. You have to pay for this certificate. Of course, money begets money, so be ready to part. And the most impressive thing about this website is the money bank guarantee. I am more comfortable with a website that does a money bank guarantee. I don't know why. I'm just comfortable with them. All right, so I'll leave the link to all these websites down in the description box. And if there's any website that you know that I've not mentioned, because there are quite a lot, but I've just done my research on these ones and I've spoken to people, and there are two of it, Powerfish and Cumberly, that I know people signed on and they are doing very well. So if there's any website that you know that you've done or urged people take up the teaching job, please put it in the description box, and people would go to the link and see for themselves. Okay, so these are the basic requirements in order to teach English as a second language. The basic requirements is teaching experience and your TEFL or a TESOL certificate. And if you have a teaching certificate, you can skip this, and you need a university degree. That's a BSc, a university degree in any field. Okay, so these are the basic requirements, and of course you have to be ready to do the job, even if it is 2 hours. Be dedicated to it, and show yourself worthy. Otherwise you'll be thrown out of the system, like your onboarding system. It's always a process. Just show yourself worthy, be dedicated to the course, especially teaching the children. You know, teaching children has a lot of you need a lot of patience. You need to carry them along very well, and you need to communicate the best way that they would understand. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video today. If you are new to my channel, oh my god, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to all my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information until I come again some other time with something new and interesting. Bye now.